Currently, each is loaded with a 300 gigabyte SAS drive. And we're going to try to get this thing configured to use all 6 of them in a single RAID stripe to try to maximize the capacity. Given that it's an old server, I don't really care about data redundancy. I'm probably going to use it for a download server. So here's the RAID BIOS. You can see it detected all 6 physical disks. We've created a new virtual disk stripe, set the level to RAID 0, and put them all in there. After reinitialization, we managed to get Windows 7 put in there, and it even detected all the RAID controllers. So without even having to install any third-party drivers, we're able to get Windows 7 to start installation. It would install all the system files on the primary RAID stripe. Then after all the configuration files copied over and the initialization process completed, was able to get Windows 7 to boot no problem. Comes up quite snappy too. Bam, there it is.